Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's class, I'm going to teach you, I'm going to explain a beautiful and a very meaningful poem called Savira Kambagalagona. It is in a fourth grade Kannada textbook. So let's get started. Savira Kambagalagona is a patriotic Kannada poem written by Anekal Krishnamurti Kati. The title Savira Kambagalagona meaning let us become 1,000 pillars. Kamba is pillar. So let's get started. ಭಾರತ ಮಾತೆಯ ಮಂದಿರಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾವಿರ ಕಂಬಗಳಾಗೋಣ. The poet says, let us become 1,000 pillars for the temple of Mother India. How beautiful it is. India is compared to a beautiful temple here, and the poet is saying that every citizen, like you, me, all of us, should become a strong pillar supporting the nation. This means we should protect, strengthen, and serve our country. ಭಾರತ ಭೂಮಿಯ ರಕ್ಷಣೆಗೆ ಕೋಟಿ ಸೈನಿಕರಾಗೋಣ. ಸೈನಿಕ meaning soldier. Let us become millions of soldiers to protect our motherland. The poet is not saying, when he says, he is not saying that let us all join the army, but instead he means that every person should protect our country through honesty, responsibility, courage, and doing good deeds. All right. ವಿಶ್ವ ಜೀವನವೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವು ವಿಶಾಲ ಹೃದಯಗಳಾಗೋಣ. Wow. The life of the whole world is our life. And he's saying, let us have a broad and generous heart. He's talking about generosity. We should care not only about ourselves, but about all people around us. The poet teaches here the kindness, compassion, and universal brotherhood. ಎಲ್ಲ ದೇಶಕ್ಕೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲಕ್ಕೂ ಸಾಧನೆ ಸಫಲತೆ ಹಂಚೋಣ. Let us share our achievements. Let's just not keep it to ourselves. Let us share our achievements and success with every nation and at all times. It's just not once. Okay, we are now achieving something or we are only sharing now. It's just not today. At all times, like we should work hard, succeed, and use our success to benefit others. That's what the poet means here. Progress should help everyone. Like it's just not us, it's just not to us, it has to help everyone. ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನದ ಸಾರ್ಥಕ ಬದುಕಿನ ಮಾನವತೆಯನ್ನು ಮೆರೆಯೋಣ. Let us live with self-respect and uphold humanity. Self-respect is very important, and at the same time, like we need to have self-respect, but at the same time we should also be respectful and caring towards others. ಒಂದೇ ಮನದ ಒಂದೇ ಧ್ವನಿಯ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರವ ಕಟ್ಟುತ್ತಾ ನಲಿಯೋಣ. ಒಂದೇ ಮನದ ಒಂದೇ ಧ್ವನಿಯ meaning with one heart and with one voice, let us build the nation joyfully. Let's come together to build the nation joyfully. Here basically the unity is the key message here. We need to be together. We should always have the same thoughts in when it comes to building the nation. So when people work together, the country becomes stronger. ಬಗೆ ಬಗೆ ಬಣ್ಣದ ಹೂದಳದಂತೆ ವೈವಿಧ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸೋಣ. ಹೂ meaning flowers. Like flowers, flower comes in many different colors, right? So like flowers of many different colors, let us celebrate diversity. Though it comes in different colors, shapes, fragrance, but it is still beautiful, right? So India has many languages, religions, and cultures. So like these differences make the country beautiful. That's what the poet says. Like, just like the garden is beautiful because it has many kinds of flowers in it, right? And that is why India is beautiful, because India has all of this. ಸಮತೆಯ ದೀಪ ಬೆಳಗೋಣ, ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಮತೆಗಳ ಬಿತ್ತೋಣ. And ದ್ವೇಷ ಅಸೂಯೆ ತೊರೆಯೋಣ, ಬಲಿಷ್ಠ ಭಾರತ ಕಟ್ಟೋಣ. Let us light the lamp of equality, sow the seeds of love and affection, give up on hatred and jealousy, and let's build a strong India. Like everyone should be treated equally. Love should replace hatred. We should always, love should replace with hatred. By working together with respect and equality, let's build a powerful and peaceful nation. And the Balishta Bharata meaning powerful and peaceful. Peaceful is like again with peace, peaceful Bharata. Balishta and powerful and strong and peaceful nation let's build together. And that's what the poem means. Well, this poem taught us about unity, equality, love and kindness, respect for others, self respect, and also the respect for others, humanity, like again, working together to build a strong India. If I have to conclude, there's nothing as moral or something, but if I have to like just summarize in a sentence, it's like every citizen is like a pillar of the nation. That's what the poet is saying. Like all of us, each one of us are the pillar of the nation. Um, just by living with unity, living together with love, equality, and being more responsible, we can build a strong and peaceful India. So I'll that's all the poet says. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this English explanation helped you understand. Savira Kambagala Kona. See you in the next video. Thank you.